on. Look good now, man. So massive with their Times Square, you know, a job boy Jamaica walk by there from Back to the Future. I just came back from, you don't know, 2068. You understand? Because we have already come back before 69, you understand? So we actually be back and we're going to check out. Look at the machine. Look what I think them, no, man. Look what my car, no, man. Look at. And it's when I want to go where I want to go. You just punch in the date and tip on the laptop and it will just take you there. You understand? So back in 1998 we had the Walkman. You understand? Back in the 2000, like 2003, the BlackBerry and all these things came out. So this is where we actually go back in time. We'll go back in time and collect all these artifacts and things. Come on, follow me. Let's look at my car. Stopping by and talking to me too. So if you don't know what Jamaica looks like, look at this channel, alright? Okay. Much love and respect. Take care. Yeah, oh, before you go, can I shout out your Instagram? You have an Instagram? Can I shout it out? What's the name of your Instagram? Yes. I can see it and I believe it. Oh yeah, you come out though, you're outside. Look upon your beauty. Oh gosh, you come out. You know, jokes, I showcase a natural life and live it in Jamaica. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's her name? Macy. Macy. To Macy. Happy birthday to Macy. That is it. So massive. Look at beauty in a man. Oh God. Bless up. Yeah. That is it. Yo Neil, with your friend, we know about this. Yeah. Right now, I'm watching my record on Neil on the phone. Big up yourself, my bro. Everything is. Yeah. Foreign swag. Yeah, massive, you don't know easy, you don't know with they are foreign, you understand? Look up the road now, man, I'm foreign with it. You understand? I don't know, says a night video, it's a night vlog, you understand? I would have my brother, great extreme art. You understand? The place cool and nice, you know, say the dressing have it different. Look good now, man. Yeah. So we outside, they don't know, big up all Jamaica, walk by massive. And currently we're going to Manhattan. You understand? Am I saying right? Am I saying it right? Manhattan. Manhattan, Times Square. Yeah, we are going to Times Square. So, you know, he's the foreigner. So he's going to show me around and where we're going to go and all these things. I don't know. So, right now we're there in Mount Vernon. And we are going, what we are going to take to go to Manhattan? We'll take the subway. Subway we are going to take? Yeah. Alright, so subway different from the metro? Same thing. Same thing. Alright, so I'm going to show you the journey from here. So, going to Manhattan, you understand? Times Square. So just watch where I go and look where I go. You know, it's on Jamaica walk by video is not about me. You understand? It's always about my surrounding and what is happening and a little bit about me, should I say. You understand? So stay tuned, watch the video. Start like the video right now, no man, me I wait. Like the video, no man, me I wait. Look where I go, no man, me I wait, me say. You understand? I'm foreign with it. You understand? And the place look nice, it's beautiful. So yeah, respect and manners to everybody who like the video from now. We're gonna do this, so let's go now, man. Let's go now, man. Watch now, man. Yeah. Rockstone, I'm over there. Look like your Laxa, man. Big up, big up, big up. Respect, respect. Oh, this is great, man. Yeah, pass me a pass you, you know, so I have to give a look at one showcase right here, so. Alright. Jamaican kitchen, though. Yeah. Cheese and paste, right at Mount Vernon. Massive, but still another official big up for that place, yeah, you know. You understand? Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Oh, see, I'm generally, 6 love ago.
Well, I get one, you know.
You get one? You get knocked when watch some man. That me no game in a foreign. You my G, you not afraid of camera. Me no video you yet, you know.
Nah, I don't like to be on camera.
Oh, you're afraid of camera? I don't want to be in camera, man. You know, I understand, man. Yes, Elder, big up every time, right? Yeah, 6 love theater.
No.
Are you drop it? Mama drop, man. Touch off a fist, no, man. How you mean? Beat up boy skin. Yeah, my bro. So, you don't know the man from Portland. You understand? How you go? Send me area Portland. Portland, oh, wow. Make sure. Port Antonio.
And I'm Manchester in the house.
And you're Manchester. Alright, so remember massive Jamaica kitchen, right round at Mount Vernon, right round here, so. You understand? See place you want the real authentic Jamaican food, you can't pass here, so. Look for the thing them no man. So massive, we are actually circle a place here another day because we don't tell you which part we are going. We're going to Manhattan. Yeah, we're going to Times Square. So you don't know, big up. So we just have to make a quick pass through. So bless up my bro every time. Touch your fist, man. Don't get no 6 love, you know. You get already, now worry yourself. Sorry about that. But we don't get, if you don't get 6 a game now and play. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man. So massive seat there. Mount Vernon with there I go through. Easily. No joke. Great extreme arts in a foreign, you understand? No joke, my brother. Nice to go walk. And we're outside. Place is nice. So this is what Mount Vernon Road. Mount Vernon Road and Mount Vernon Avenue. Alright, Mount Vernon Avenue looks like at night. Yeah, we all know that the car them drive on the wrong side of the road. So I just saw you go. Yeah, easily. Oh, you mean? Place up on the darker side. So about what time I know, X? About 8 o'clock? Alright. I go up on the side or the other side? I will go up on the side there. Yeah, man. Easily. But when they say place not cool, the place cool, bridging. Yeah, man. I have a card, them and them thing that we give out. I think. Going on the road now, man. So we just go on a little walk, we're gonna see what I go on. But in this video, I go cut and thing till we reach. See me? No joke. Big Billy's Bar and Grill. Wanna know about that, sir? Good night. Machine. $7-11. Hi, good night. Can I introduce you to my YouTube channel, please? called Jamaica Walk By. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 subscribers. Alright, yes, I support the thing.
I got you.
You know Jamaica? You know about Jamaica?
Yeah, my boyfriend's Jamaica.
Boyfriend is Jamaica. Big up the man, see that you're keeping it real. When I go home, you just drop him the card there and say, yo, I saw this guy on the street named Jamaica Walk By. He probably know about the thing still.
Yeah,
you know, so we're there in a foreigner now, alright?
Alright, thank
mad
you.
love, mad respect.
Yes,
big up every time. Be safe, alright? Cool. What, X, I eat this? Yeah. What you mean? So X, you say a while ago, I share the channel, she say her boyfriend is Jamaican, you know? Come on. Watch your man step now, man. Real foreigner. Bro, I say the place not too safe. When I look on the corner, then I say, alright. I know what you do it. So yeah, you have to add money if you get on card or something. Oh. Yeah, massive. So this is what the actual metro station look like. See? Mount Vernon West. You have some seating here. I'm not sure how the seating thing go. So you have a track and them thing there. So you have this 2 White Plains Road. Alright. Yeah. No joke. Alright, so we're gonna sort out the ticket and forward, you understand? So yes, I say we actually go for the train station. So we actually purchased the ticket and for a round trip. Oh, you have the ticket, let me see what it look like. Holy heap of stairs. Damn. This is what it looks like, just like in the movies. Yeah. That's what the ticket look like. Oh, this is a train right here. Eh? What say? That's so cool, bro. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 already? Yeah, it's at 2 and 4. Oh, we go over. Oh, we have to go back downstairs. Oh. Why I teach I know. I can do it now, man. Extreme hard. So unlike me, whenever I ride the subway before, you know, say this is a crazy vibe for me. This is a crazy feeling. You understand? This is beautiful. This is highly sophisticated. You understand? I've only seen these places like this in the movies. You understand? Yeah, me excited. You don't know that. Look good. Look what I go on over here, so. Wanna wait for like the video. Wanna wait for subscribe. Get me to the 100,000 subscriber, man. Yeah, massive. So we're outside and the weather is really nice, really cool. You understand? No joke. So we're just currently waiting. I'm looking across there, so now I see like it's a laundromat over there, so and people are doing them laundry at the night. Nice high-rise buildings and thing. Yeah, no joke. Yeah, I love the construction. I love how the way the place set up and all them thing there. Yeah, no joke. Look good. As far as I can see down there, so I stops. I have no idea how this set up, but so far we are trying to take. We are on track. We are going for what? Track 2 and 4. Which one I track we are taking, bro? 2 and 4. Alright, so we're there massive. So it's no joke. We are on our way to Times Square from Mount Vernon. Yeah, this is so new to me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Like legit. No idea what I'm doing. So I'm just there with X. I'm going to show them what I go on. Yeah, man. Look good now, man. I'm foreign with there. You know, see it? Yeah, me happy because enough people not get to go foreign. You understand? No long me I try to go foreign to just see what the place look like. So I just get my bus now. So me enjoy it now, man. Oh, you mean? See? Yes, I'm massive. What I'm realize now, this subway station is about after 8 in the night and the place lonely. Look, there's no one around, just us. You understand? So a lot of persons said the subway station dangerous at night because of the loneliness of the train station. You understand? But you don't know where Jamaica and we out here. You understand? Look good. No Mount Vernon this. Look now, man. Oh, they say I'm foreign with it. Look good. Look good. Look what I go on. Mount Vernon is there. Yeah, we are at the train station. We actually are waiting for the train forward because we are actually go to Times Square as a year, me tell you about. You understand? The place have a nice little rustic look. You know, most of the place label and all of them things there. You understand? See? Watch the gap. You understand? We just wait for the train to forward. Lonely thing, but it's alright. We still feel comfortable. We still feel alright. Oh, so one man down there, so. New York. Yeah. I have a special feeling about happiness with that place, you know, because of crazy movies we normally watch that place upon. No joke. And one of my favorite movies, Home Alone. So I have to say no more, say less. You understand? You hear me say one of my favorite movies of all time is Home Alone. Home Alone 2. Yeah, and a joke thing. So it's a great feeling today, so right now. I'm happy. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. We're going to Times Square. Yes, brother B.
This station is Mount Vernon West. This is the train to Grand Central. The next station
Grand
is
Central. Excellent. Alright. Let's see what I want on the subway. Looking at subway now, man.
It's a nice one. You see the fuck about it.
What you mean? So, ticket over by now. Oh, she come cross and take it. Okay.
We don't take much of
This is
it.
the train to Grand
Oh.
Central. The next station
Ticket has to be like this. That's for the subway.
So,
Oh, run to the blood.
so we're ready.
Where you going?
That's down central.
So you're just gonna have to purchase a ticket with me. That's what
Alright, yeah man, no problem man. Yeah man, alright then, cool.
We just need to know. You're not problem.
It's $15 each.
as you leave the train. Please watch
Cash
the
or-
gap.
Cash or card. That's what we take both.
Alright.
Alright.
Watch out.
That's for both or one?
Yeah, just call it for both of them. Beautiful.
On the train it's more money. It's a little less if you buy it at the station.
Taking another road trip.
Yeah, but we don't sell round trips on the train. It's receipt.
Can I see like an example?
Give me one second.
Alright.
That's what you find out.
So, different. We still don't know what's the difference there, but you want to explain a little bit about that X1?
No, it's not. It's not like metro. There are different train stations
Tired.
different train line, railroad.
This is the train to
Okay.
Grand
What did I
Central.
go see
The
about
next
it?
station
Right.
is
Okay, okay.
But me I say we have to take it come back. So we need to know about it, like
exactly what to do. Alright, cool. We're learning, going see and you understand. Yeah, so the leader will show you an example of what we mean, you understand?
You said can you what?
So this we have to purchase to come back.
But just purchase it in the station, it'll be a little less. It'll be $9 each. Yeah, there's like a surcharge when you purchase it on the train. Or you can get the app and purchase it on the app.
What's the app?
Train time.
Train time.
Thank you, okay? Yeah, that lady was so nice. Really nice lady. Yeah. Alright, massive. We're gonna deal with this and we'll soon forward again. See? No joke. Yeah, massive. So, what were they now?
Yeah, Grand Station.
So, we're at Grand Station. Up on the place. So, this is called Grand Central Station. Foreign. Here, sir. We can't drive one of them, man.
Not really, no.
You sure? Yeah. You look like you left the key in there.
Not really.
boy. Bless up. John knows yeah, truck 34 and 35. Alright. Wow, a food place and thing on there, so clothes and skirt.
Train station link up from all over New York.
Grand Central Station.
Yeah. Hold on.
Excuse me, can I introduce you to my YouTube channel? I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers.
I probably won't.
Check it out. No? Alright, big up every time. No problem, alright? Yeah. I'm just trying to get some subscribers in same way. I know some people might say no, but you don't know. Still try. Oh, you get tickets inside here. Hey! Fishing. Ooh, child. Watch out. Hey, can I introduce you to my YouTube channel, please? 1 subscriber at a time. Thank you.
Your attention, please. All luggage and parcels must be attended at all times. Any items left unattended will be removed by and subject to search by the MTA police. Thank you for your cooperation.
Yeah, bro. Mad thing. First up. Hi, hello, good day. See you taking pictures. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. I'm Jamaica Wild by asking you to subscribe. If you want to see what Jamaica looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, get the card. And that's it right there. The YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright, you guys are beautiful. Where are you from?
Thank you so much.
Where are you from? Any English? Where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden. Oh, big up Sweden. I'm Jamaican.
Yeah.
It's my first time in America, so
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
You know, the place is beautiful. Look at this, it's awesome. You've been to Jamaica? You live here? No, you don't. You're visiting as well.
Yes.
Big up every time. That's it. Much respect, more love. All right.
Yeah.
And I'm looking for that subscribe.
Thank you.
All right. Blessings. Hi, can I introduce you to my YouTube channel, please? I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. If you haven't seen Jamaica or see what Jamaica looks like, this is the channel for you.
Okay.
I walk the street, I talk to people and stuff like that, alright?
Okay, thank
Where are
you.
you from?
I'm from here.
Are you from here? Alright, okay, big up, more love. It's my first time here, so I love it. It's beautiful. Yeah. Bless you anywhere, so just I'm gonna see Times Square for the first time.
Yeah.
Is it?
Fun.
Beautiful.
It's a lot.
I can't wait. Much love, alright?
you.
Yeah. Oh my word. Look at this. Yeah, I'm trying to catch this ceiling. It's crazy, bro. Well done. Excellent. Beautiful. Hey, good night. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please?
Sure.
It's Jamaica Walk By.
Okay.
So if you don't know what Jamaica looks like, this channel will show you exactly what Jamaica looks like. Yeah, you know what? You've been to Jamaica before?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican.
You're Jamaica, mad thing, big up every time. Touch me now, man. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. Nice look up there. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Can I introduce you to my YouTube channel? I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. All right. Love the look. Beautiful. Where are you from?
I'm not from here.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Texas. Oh, so you're American?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican.
Okay.
So it's my first time in foreign. So you know, so the thing shot. So what about, can I give you a card too? You got, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by and talking to me too. So if you don't know what Jamaica looks like, look at this channel, all right? Okay. Much love and respect. Take care. Yeah, oh, before you go, can I shout out your Instagram? Yeah, you have an Instagram? Can I shout it out? What's the name of your Instagram?
My name is Bernaya DJ.
Bernaya DJ. Bernaya DJ. What's yours? No? Alright, TikTok, any?
Follow me, yes.
What?
Bernaya DJ on TikTok too.
Alright, Bernaya DJ. Can you spell it out?
BRENIYADESJA.
That is it. So massive. Look at beauty in a man. Cha! Oh God. Bless up. Yeah. That is it. Yo, Neil, with your foreign, we know about this. Yeah. Right now, remember, I'm a record on Neil on the phone. Big up yourself, my bro. Everything it. Yeah. Foreign swag. Yeah, me.
I can't go Times Square.
Yeah. What you say? You're not traveling.
Someone that just get it and look at me.
Just get the visa, I'm outside. Neil, the visa real.
That's how it look good.
Yeah, man. When I come up for it, they just cool all of a sudden. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man, we're there. Look a bit.
Alright.
Yeah. Great cash flow deal. Yeah, man.
Come on.
Yeah, so massive we actually yeah, we are head out of Grand Central Station. I mean, I tell us that the place just amazing. The place looks so good, brother. Foreign, brother, you know. Look good. Jaja no. Foreign, brother. Look here, man. Jaja no. Beautiful, massive. Hey, a real foreign this. Look good. Look good there, man. A movie alone, me see them together. Watch a camera can't even go so far. Watch a man. Jaja no. Yeah. So this is Grand Central Station and thing. So watch a man, your boy in a foreign, you know. Jamaica walk by, we outside. Look. Look good, man. Look good. Jaja no. We outside. So I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. You know, we're taking it to another level. I'm excited. I feel good. You understand? New York. You understand? No joke. Oh gosh. Look good for the place. When I see them thing at Jamaica, look how the place bright at night. Oh gosh, man. What do you mean? Easily. Yellow cab. You know, see a yellow cab. You see a yellow taxi that. Eh? Oh joy. We outside. We ready. Let's go. Yeah, massive. So we just leave out a Grand Central Station and we are walk. You understand? Yeah. No joke. Only on my TV, me see them a place. So let's check it out. Yeah. X, you on the map? You can tell me what the name of the road is? Or let me just look on the map.
Alright.
Jeez. Wow. OMG. OMG. Massive. This is beautiful. So massive, I'll be asking persons to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know me not take out nothing now, we not edit out nothing. You understand? We just have to showcase the natural thing, you know? Yeah. Yo, my bro. I'm a YouTuber. I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel if you could. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Ever heard about Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Alright, so if you want to see them walk and talk, right now I'm actually filming. So same things that I do in Jamaica, I'm actually doing it now in New York.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm trying to branch out, you know?
Yeah.
So what's your Instagram, man?
Yeah, let me follow that.
Yeah.
Good luck with everything.
Yeah, man. Big up every time, bro. Respect.
Trying to get the bucket out and I'm not getting it. So let's get back to the
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, I don't go by the next hour.
Alright.
17 minutes.
Okay. So massive, definitely will be. Oh gosh, I'm lost of words. X, the thing I feel real. It's like watching a movie, but me in the movie.
Yeah, this is not it.
No joke. General have a little bit too much to drink. Yeah, man, you can smell it, man. Some part ring. It's a general look like in the bright or something. Yeah. Oh boy. Bro. What is I'm a YouTuber. I was just asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, respect. Wait, no Justice League that man. Nice. Beautiful. Woo.
17-minute walk, so.
Yeah, man, this is beautiful, bro. No joke. Look, pan foreign. So massive, you know, we don't really narrate in none of our video them, but we just walk and talk and hold a vibe and show what go on naturally, understand? Yeah, man. Ain't a foreign. Yeah, I gotta say, this place is really extremely different from where I'm from, yo. Extremely different. I'm actually using the word extreme. You know, even though we're walking with extreme arts, it's extremely different. It's beautiful, trust me. Very well made. Yes, sir. Can I introduce you to my YouTube channel? Trying to get to 100 subscribers, man.
Yo, my girlfriend might be seeing me, man. I don't want her to see me out here.
Still subscribe to my YouTube channel, man.
Alright.
Yeah, bless up. Your girlfriend, don't worry about it. If she's gonna worry, just give her the card and say this guy just pop up on me. You don't want to get in any trouble.
She looking for me. I told her I was somewhere else.
Oh, by the time she's seen it, she'll never know where you're at. Bless up, all right? Much love.
Next up.
Yeah, cool. Where is it? The MetLife building. Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Yeah, so if you want to see what Jamaica looks like, that's the channel for you. Yeah. Yeah, you know the thing go. Real city
Like
life.
there's something I'm done with. Times Square. So I walk all the way down.
Come on, easy chop. Yeah, man.
All of them building there, people live upstairs. Apartment there, one there.
Oh, even though them are business below.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I'm people from my apartment,
Coffee shop and some restaurant and
yeah,
thing.
people are living from some of them places. The whole time is very good.
Gosh.
And I sit it.
Oh, you said this now.
545.
545 Fifth Avenue. Let out steam.
Yeah. From the subway, man.
Oh,
Everywhere underground, you know.
yeah.
Whole heap of underground place. The subway, I plenty of steam.
Gotcha. Loads of coffee shop. Enough coffee shop. So like when there's something set up, what construction are going?
Yep. Construction. This way.
Like maybe they might change up a building down here, so
Renovate the front.
yeah. So massive walk into Times Square. You understand? Yeah. A lot of Spanish speaking people so far. Loads of Jamaicans then at Mount Vernon and Bronx and them side here. This side mostly white people, you know? Yeah. What extreme? Long time you know walk saying, man. I saw people that use garbage, brother. Yeah, amount of garbage. Crazy high-rise buildings. Ah, skyscraper. Wow. As far as I can see.
Now the ones in here. You have your own. So one of them shops there.
Hungry right now.
Like even them, look on them look shop area talk, like the brother there. Let me catch the sign here. Wow, it's beautiful.
Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla.
X, this is what you call chicken over rice and see it there. Now that you come in the camera, you gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel because you did that. Alright? Yeah. Have you ever been to Jamaica? No? You ever heard about Jamaica? No Usain Bolt? No Bob Marley? Oh yeah, that's great. So if you want to see what Jamaica looks like, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 subscriber, man. Where you guys from? Brazil. Brazil? Ah, I heard so much about Brazil. I'm footballer. Yeah, great soccer players, ain't it? No doubt. When I'm trying to play football, I try to go and watch the Brazilian players. No joke. You guys play soccer? You play soccer? You should. You better. All right. So big up every time, man. That's it. Your mommy? Mommy. Oh yeah. All right. Great. Have you ever been to Jamaica? Yeah. Great. I'm trying to. What is good? Everything. Oh man. All right. Let's go. What's up?
You a traveler with me in the car?
Yeah, I'm a traveler, you know. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay,
yeah.
Follow you.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 subscriber. I'm 80,000. So
no problem.
going.
You get my subscribe definitely, bro.
Yeah, big up and respect. You want to shout out somebody?
Well, hey, shout out to Highboy Mafia, yo, the best music right here in town.
That's it.
Yeah, feel me?
All right, big up every time, my bro.
Right, bro, be
respect.
safe.
Thank you. Look at this.
Corvette.
Corvette supercar, man. Wow. Woo. Woo. Let me get it. Let's get it. Supercar. No doubt. So we're heading to Times Square. I wouldn't park. Hey, X. Me not park side of that. No joke. So I guess you can just park anywhere here. So massive in a foreign, you have to try to speak properly. I'm trying. You understand? I'm trying, no doubt, no joke.
Porque eu tenho aquele da Speed, sabe?
Millennium Times Square. Music, let's move on the music. Oh, we have to wait for that. From Jamaica. Gone cross. Yeah, man. Instagram a shout out? That's it.
NYC.
Blessings, respect. Beautiful. Oh, let me give you a card. Let you know where you receive this on. Jamaica walk by. Alright, bless up. Beautiful. It looks impossible, but I can't believe it. Can't believe it's happening. Wow. Let me give you a card. You know where to see it. Subscribe to my Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Wow. That's definitely her. X, you're not trouble if you touch the street with me now.
I'm sure it's a Mexican there.
Yeah. Come right this way. Come there. Yeah, man. Times Square massive. Alright. Next, what land then, man? You know, see, I space scared this. It's a Back to the Future. Back to the Future, Virgin. OMG. X. Come, let's donate, man. This is beautiful.
Thank you, appreciate you boys.
Oh, what's it cost to make this?
Jump in.
Jump in?
Jump in. Let me take a picture, man. Go on the camera. Put it on. Look good now, man.
Yeah, go on.
Look good now, man. So massive with their Times Square. You know, a job boy Jamaica walk by there from Back to the Future. I just came back from, you don't know, 2006 to 8. You understand? Because we have already come back before 69. You understand? So we actually be back. And we're going to check out. Look on the machine. Look on the thing them, no, man. Look on the car, no, man. Look at. And it's when I want to go where I want to go. You just punch in the date and tip on the laptop, and it will just take you there. You understand? So back in 1998, we had the Walkman. You understand? Back in the 2000, like 2003, the BlackBerry and all these things came out. So this is where we actually go back in time. We'll go back in time and collect all these artifacts and things. Come on, follow me. Let's look at my car. So you just sit like this and you just do it big. You understand? Yeah. It is actually gears, manual. It's not automatic because it's manual. Because this car is so old, automatic never in them time. Cheese and peas, you can punch in when you want the gear that you want to go, and you just punch it in right there on the gas. When you reach about 100 miles per hour somewhere around here, it will just bam into it, you know? Oh my gosh. Take a picture. recording. Yeah. So massive, look at it. Back to the future. Wow. Back to the future. Yeah, take my picture. Good? Yeah. Yeah, wanna see my car? Simple, $1 donation, I'll let you see my car. We go back in time. You wanna know if you're gonna be rich or not? Come, sit in my car and be successful. This guy, just donate to him right here. Yeah man, come on this side. So we donate to take a seat, you know? Come on. That's it. Yeah, X. No joke. Massive, you know me stay already. You get some good picture? Nice. Times Square massive. About music. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, you actually will be seeing yourself on there.
Okay.
Jamaica Walk By. You want to give your Instagram a shout out?
It's the real one and only Ren. THEREAL1N0NLYREN.
That's it.
Yep.
What about you?
It's brother against Leah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, bless up, alright?
I'm gonna subscribe to you.
I'm hoping that you do. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 subscriber.
I got you.
Alright? You got me too? That's it. Thank you. Alright? Bless and love, okay? Oh, you're doing it right now?
Yeah, you want me to?
Oh, yeah. I want you to. Oh, I wish you could. So, she's actually subscribing right now to my YouTube channel. It's my first time in America. So, it's great.
Hold on, I'm about to,
So, Jamaica. Walk by. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh, I hit the 80,000. Yeah, I thought I was gonna do that tomorrow. I did it right now. Woo-hoo! That's it. Jamaica walk by. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much, alright?
Of course.
Cool. Bro, you better watch me, you know, cause God know. Your ex. Yeah, bro. I mean, take my picture. I want enough pictures so I can take video. Just put it on the camera. Right on the TV, you see this one in there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm gonna take it down here. Get it out here. Ready?
One Jamaica walk by. Come here, let me take two of you.
Alright. Maybe. It's an extra. You can take it. You can take it one so, and one.
Right, in slow motion, and since I have to, I video the band. Yeah, we switch it a while ago. We just switch it. Yeah, man, make good man. Alright. I put it on portrait. Ready? Alright, I'll go on photo back.
You're gonna make a good bet, so if you play up there, you're gonna see him dancing. If he's dancing, come with him, and then you're going to be famous.
Yeah, do that again. Keep it. Yeah, bro. Here, my lord. Next. Alright. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Yeah, it's Jamaica Walk By. Okay. I was just looking at it and kind of looked like a bit Jamaican. So I'm saying, you know what, let me just check it out. I was looking at her, I see you smiling at me. Alright, you're currently on my YouTube channel and I'm going to keep this. I was actually videoing it because I see you stand out and you look so beautiful. And my camera lens love beautiful ladies. Look at yourself. Look at, she's a niece?
Yep.
Alright, do you mind giving out your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out?
Mrs. Forbes List.
Say again?
Mrs. Forbes List.
Mrs. Forbes List.
Yes.
I can see it and I believe it. Oh yeah, you come out though, you're outside. Look on your beauty. Oh gosh, you come out. You know, jokes are showcase a natural life and live it in Jamaica.
Alright.
If you have service now, I would love you to subscribe. You follow me on Instagram? Oh, on Instagram. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 subscriber. It's Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By. So it's on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's me, right? Thank you so much. I'm gonna make sure I see it right there and I'll follow you back. All right. You take good care of yourself. All right. Okay. Her name is Miss Forbes List. Times Square massive. Bless her. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. English?
English, no, French.
French. Oh man.
Man, I speak English, yeah?
Oh, you speak English?
Yeah, for real.
Oh,
No
I was like,
problem.
bro, I'm gonna be talking to myself. Alright, so I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so it's Jamaica walk by. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, man. Yeah, I thought that I wasn't gonna be the 80,000 tonight, but I actually got there and I'm happy. First time in America, so I'm gonna share the card with you. First time traveling, bro. It's
Where
awesome. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
That's the country of Usain Bolt and Bob Marley and all them guys. Yeah.
Oh, really cool.
So if you don't know what Jamaica looks like, you're able to see Jamaica. Just like I'm talking to you right now, this is what I do in Jamaica. I walk around and I talk to people, show all the ladies and stuff.
I see.
So I'll give you a reason to come there.
Yeah.
You know?
That's
Yeah.
nice.
So where you from?
France, Toulouse.
France.
South of France.
Yeah, I want to big up anybody? You want to give a shout out?
Yo, shout out to France. Shout out to Toulouse.
Yeah.
On est ensemble. Ici c'est la France, mon gars. New York, Times Square, c'est incroyable. With my friend, Jamaican friend.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaican walk by. Jamaica walk by.
Bless up, my bro. Big up every time, bro. Respect, alright? Bless.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Good night.
You too. X. It's nice. Times Square. Yeah, man. X, me hit the 80,000 subscribers, bro. 80,000. I think so we'll probably eat it by tomorrow. Bro, it's crazy. Where else? Wow. So like that way, which way more which way? Jeez. I go straight across. I'll look on the other side. Bless up. Respect. I'm gonna give you a card. I'm a YouTuber. I'd love if you subscribe to my YouTube. Alright, thank you. Massive Times Square. H&M. showed me that he actually followed the Instagram. Thank you, man. Big up. So massive. Times Square is beautiful. Trust me. Nothing like yard. Believe me, nothing like yard. Just crazy vibe. As X said, the town or the place that never sleep. Yeah, no joke. Big up all massive and every Jamaican with their Times Square right about now. No joke. Look good. Look good now, man. Look good. Me I look for me. What you mean? Bro, where you say? Where you say? What there? Yeah, bro. Great extreme arts in the house. Look good. Look good. What you mean? Times Square. Come in. Go. What? Me have bank here. Me have battery bank. Yeah. Hi, can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube? Right. Just promoting my YouTube channel. She's not interested. You want it? Over here. Okay, mommy, here we go. Sorry. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you. Love the outfit. Hey, step on the road. that?
Right here.
What is it? What is it?
No, it's a tour. 1 hour. You go to take you to Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh. Oh yeah? You want to give it some free promotion? You want to advertise it? Alright. Oh man. Bless up, okay? Respect. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube? Here. Thank you, man. This is it. Exit people that must subscribe.
Si quieres me esperas ahí. Sí, yo estoy cerca.
Times Square. I mean, still doing it. One Jamaica walk by, hear that? Look good. CRV, you know, under CRV. Woo. that Extreme Arts JA. One Extreme up in them city with that tell you, man. Easy.
I love this song.
Here, so? This one. So massive, we're outside and we're there in a Times Square same way. Our vibe, I don't know. We're planning to go get something to eat right here, so yeah. So what is it?
Burger man.
Burger man. A burger him there, so you understand? We don't see no brother, why? We don't see that we're going to burger him. You understand? So right about now, we're actually there in a Times Square. Place is beautiful, massive. I'm loving it. You know, we're going to have some fun, you know. So everybody who stay tuned and watch this video, I want to thank you for subscribing. We are now at 80,000 subscribers. I'm happy. I'm glad. I'm things. We're on our road to 100,000 subscribers, massive. So keep on subscribing. If you watch this and not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe, alright? So watch me now, man. We're there and we are go through and crazy things. We're gonna show you actually a little bit more walking, but first we're gonna get some food and we're gonna eat and we'll jump right back at it. You understand? So don't go anywhere, the video not done yet. You understand? Remember, the video not done yet. So don't you go anywhere. Don't you touch that dial. Don't you touch that dial. Don't you don't do that. Look now, man, look good now, man. So here we are. We're so forward, so continue watching. Look what I want. See? No joke, no doubt. How you mean? Times Square, look good. Place beautiful. Look good now, man. Look good. See that? Yeah. Where's the my G? It's because you're going to boom and touch me and pass. I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel, alright? Yeah, bro. One subscriber at a time. You understand? Blessed love. See? How you mean? We outside and with the pan it I go and put in the great effort and things, eh? Yeah, man. We're ready. Let's go. Yeah, massive. So we're back. Times Square. We're back. Yeah. Yeah, massive. Times Square. Thanks.
Price tag.
Go on, pull it. This look like it's just a bill.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. All of that.
Oh.
So what that? Red lobster? Red lobster? We're walking through 7th Avenue. African missionaries. Uber Eats. Oh. Video, Jamaica walk by.
Venezuela, en pinta. Venezuela.
¿Qué es esto? Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Jamaican.
¿Ah?
Jamaican.
América.
Jamaican.
¿Está grabando?
Jamaica. And you're Venezuela. Venezuela. Big up, big up, big up. Respect.
Venezuela.
Big up, Venezuela.
Amigo, New York.
New York.
New York.
New York, man. Yeah.
Está grabando, madre, cámara, dígalo, amigo.
Give it to your friend.
Ya me diste uno, ¿cuánto presidente?
Right. Yeah. Venezuela.
Venezuela, ya.
Subscribe.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Bless up. So we're going back to Grand Central Station, but we're walking a different route, you know? So I'm a Jamaica walk by. It has been great. Oh my God, it's been so great. Been enjoying myself, just walking, chilling, looking what's happening, going to places and stuff. And I'll be doing this all my trip, showing you all my experiences. You understand? As I walk and communicate and relate with us humans. You understand? So far, the experience has been so great. Like, yo. Jano, so everybody, I recommend going to New York City and experience Times Square and all of that, or just if you are a lover of nature and thing and life, the world big, brother. Yeah, man, so come and enjoy it, bro. Yeah, no joke. So extreme, anything you want to say, bro?
Big up, Jamaica walk by. First time in New York City, Times Square. Many more videos to go. I'm not the tour guide, I'm not from here. But I've been here a couple of times. I'm just showing the Jamaica walk by Fabian. Good brother, my brother. Showing me around the place,
Figure that?
Yeah, man.
We outside, bro. Look what I go on, man.
It's a park.
It's a park. A Grand Central park this? No, excuse me, English? Which park is this? Brian? Brian's Park. Oh, Brian's Park. Thank you. We're crossing? Brian's Park. Yo, Jano, look at the place. Woo! Oh, there it is. Brian's Park. Brian Park. But people sleep on the street of Jamaica, America, man. Look at the park, you have gate and you can lock up and thing. Oh yeah. New York City at night. X. Good night. Oh, you're polite. You're nice. Thank you. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Do you mind?
I have a YouTube account.
Oh, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
You have Instagram. Are you afraid of a camera?
Yes.
I'm coming all the way from Jamaica.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
That's
Have you ever heard about Jamaica?
Yes.
Bob Marley, Usain Bolt. You know the dancehall music?
Of course.
All right. So I'm a singer from Jamaica too as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sing something.
Yeah. If I sing, you gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here you go.
Yeah, I got one too. You better subscribe to mine.
Okay, so I can shout out to your YouTube.
When I start my videos, I got the count.
I didn't ever there, guys. All right, let me see. I'm gonna sing you a song. All right. So let me pass this music because you know copyright is something that we run from for a YouTuber. All right. All right. Okay, so yeah, now we're clear from the music. All right, I don't talk so well, so you gotta see it with me.
Okay.
Cool? Yeah. I go something like this. I see the clock up on the wall, but it doesn't matter me at all. It's just a change in time. Hey, hey. I see the clock up on the wall, but it doesn't matter me at all. It's just a change in time. Hey, hey. Big up every time.
This is you?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Y'all looking beautiful. Where y'all going? Oh, so you've been partying, walking, eating.
Yeah, it's her birthday.
It's her birthday. Oh my God! It didn't let me sing happy birthday for her.
Sing it, sing right now.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's her name? What's her name?
Macy.
Macy. To Macy. Happy birthday to Macy. Big up everything. Yeah, lovely ladies. So we're actually going to Mount Vernon. We're going back home too. All right. So everybody, let me see if I can give everybody a card. I want you guys to remember.
I'm definitely. If you're posting this, I'm definitely gonna go.
I'm definitely posting.
I'm definitely gonna go find.
Give me your YouTube channel. What's your Instagram?
Brazilian doll.
Brazilian doll.
Yeah.
Okay, I got yours. What's your Instagram?
Misunderstand me.
Misunderstand me. All right, what's yours?
Funny Money Mace X.
Funny Money Mace X. What's your Instagram?
I don't have Instagram.
Oh, what about you?
Spooky Dot Blunt.
Okay, did I give you a card?
I gotcha.
That's it. Love you guys. Much love, respect. Y'all be safe, all right?
Good night.
You too.
Thank you.
All right, blessed. Woo! Straight? Yeah, 5th Avenue. Yeah, man. So that was great, you know? So that's me in a Jamaica, same way abroad. You understand? That was superb. Yeah.
Everything was like centralized. Everything. Not only was our home base kind of in the center, it was also like there were good hotel locations for the
Yeah, man. You say tired? X I beat the foot, them I say, gas up, gas up. I don't say I don't even feel like me start walking. Actually, me used to it. Yeah, man, say foreign sweet. No joke. East 41 Street. Liberty Way, or how that? Library Way. Fifth Avenue. But there's a bus lane only. Whereas I can't get jaywalking ticket as well. Come off here and go back on the sidewalk. The skyscraper X. The Trump Tower. Empire State Building.
Kingston.
Times Square Social. Electric bus or hybrid. Madison Avenue. while it's on.
Yeah.
That's it. Usually you lock off your one.
I don't think you should.
You don't shoot, you're not supposed to.
Let's go. Now Uber. Uber.
It's the Uber.
Faster Uber. Faster than Uber.
Dogs are faster than Uber. Yeah, the guy next terminal. This is a massive escalator, bro. Yeah. Watch it now, where's it? Grand Central Terminal, that way. We're trying to get to the Grand.
So which one?
Grand Central Terminal.
To go to Long Island River?
We're going to Mount Vernon.
That's that way.
Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon. Yeah, we're taking the train.
6 o'clock?
We're going, we need terminal 34, 35. Yeah.
Train time. Train time. No. We are Grand Central, right? Yeah.
Go down the west. You go upstairs. Go. You see the doors?
Yeah. Up the stairs. Alright, thank you, sir. Massive, listen, this place is big. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll be lost easily. Even though we're using the phone, this place is massive. Here. It's a turn right, yeah. Yep. Whew. Yeah, 34, 35, 34, 34, and 35. Yeah, that's it. 35 drop and 34, yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Yeah. Next, I see I make a man drive with a truck. See I make a man drive with a truck. So, should this offer buy the ticket before we go up on the train? Which way? Yeah, massive. So this is where we close, you know. We're actually gonna go board the train right now. We're just actually purchasing the ticket. I think, yeah. Look at it. So we're actually closing right now. So big up every time to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. Love all my Jamaica walk by massive. Thank you so much. It was a vibe in Times Square and I did enjoy myself. I love it. You understand? Right about now, it's time to go. So big up, stay tuned, watch the other videos. Please like the videos if you're watching thus far and like we are waiting for. Oh my god, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Remember, subscription is totally free. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time you don't know what I post a video. You see me? So one love, big up to everybody, big up to Extreme Arts, JA, my brother, you understand? Big up to everybody who make this trip possible. Big up to all the American embassy who give me the visa. Big up every time. My vacation is going great. You don't know, one love, we're out, peace, goodbye, for now. Look what one last one. Grand Central Station.